Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to enable call waiting on Google Pixel 9a. Let's begin! First head to your phone application. Then go to three dots in the top right corner. That is not three dots, this is three dots. And then head to the settings. In the settings, go to calling accounts and choose your service provider from your SIM card. For me, I only have one SIM card and I only have one service provider, that being Play. It shouldn't really change depending on your service provider, like the settings should relatively stay the same, but you should see additional settings. Head to them, and in the head settings, we can see call waiting. During a call, notify me of incoming calls. So we can just hit enable. Now it will update the settings and we will get a notification of incoming calls when we are on our call. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.